paddle to keep us from turning.
Oh, this doesn't look like it's gonna be good. This one,
Yeah.
open to like.
It'll be fine.
Look, that's how we work. That's how.
Shell and paddle. They're stuck on a rock. They're fine.
Look, that's how we work. So we have Megan in the middle.
These guys are deep.
At least you can. You gotta have one of them though, or else you can't.
See why a lot of people pull over, they'll rest up here.